Namaste to all of y'all and welcome to 30 Days Sculpt and Flow, a yoga program to a stronger you. Today is day 4 and we are going to focus on the arms today. So arms is about the wrist, the elbow joint, the shoulder joint, the triceps, biceps, arm fat, lot of things come under the arms. So today we are going to focus on toning the arms. Okay, we are going to give a good burn to the arms, giving it a toner and a leaner look. If you're struggling with arm fat, then you should practice this more often. Okay, so grab your blocks and let's see you on your mat. Come into a tabletop position with your arms exactly underneath your shoulders and knees under the hip joint. From here, we'll pull the arms a little closer to each other. Okay, bringing them closer. As you exhale, we'll bring the body down, and as you inhale, we lift the body up. Now, how much do you have to take it down? You take it down only till where you can comfortably push yourself up. Okay? If you want, here you can place a block to judge how much you have to take your body down. Take it down and then lift. If you feel this is too high and you can easily do this, then bring the block a little lower, go down and then push. Focus on pushing yourself up more than lifting the self up. Okay? Push the floor and lift. So let's give it a try. Everyone come onto your mats. Exhale, go down. Inhale, you push and lift. 1. Down. Push. 2. Down. Push. 3. Feel that muscles near your neck, back of your neck. Go down. 4. Feel the triceps, the biceps. Exhale, go down and lift yourself to a 5. From here, you sit back. You can either sit in a cross-leg position or a Vajrasana, whichever is comfortable. Raise your arms up, hold the left wrist with the help of your right hand and pull yourself to the right side. Give a good stretch. Breathe here for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Lift yourself up. Place your left hand on the right thigh. Take the right hand behind. Twist to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Go back. Take your hands and interlock your hands behind your back. And take your hands under your left shoulder. Bring it under your left shoulder on the left side and bend the neck to the left side. Give a good stretch to the right side. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now interlock your hands and pull your arms to the front. Rounding your back. Bring your chin to the chest. Give a good stretch to the shoulder blades. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So come back, relax yourself and come back to the tabletop position here. From here, make a fist out of your right arm, extend it in the front and make a circle out of your right arm like this. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's move it in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come, bring your arm back. Tuck your toes and lift your hips up. Come into a downward facing dog. Bend the knees, push the hips up. Bring your head towards the mat. Give a good stretch to the whole back. Now from here, you bend the left knee and you bring the left knee towards the right knee. Give a twist in a downward facing dog. You will feel the weight coming onto your left hand. Stay here. Breathe. 1. Feel the weight. 2, 3, and 5. Now from here, you bring the left leg in between both your hands. Place the right knee on the floor and come into a lunge. From here, we are going to do some arm circles. So place the right hand on the floor and use your block. Take the block with the help of your hand and make big circles out of your arms like this. Okay? So you will feel a little bit of pressure when you hold the block and you will feel the stretch in your shoulders. So let's feel the stretch. Begin. Inhale, you lift. Exhale, bring it down. 1. Lift. Down. 2. Lift. Down. 3. Lift. Down. 4. Lift. And down. 5. Let's go the opposite direction now, from back to front. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. 1. Lift. Down. 2. Lift. Down. 3. Lift. Down. 4. Lift. And down. 5. Bring the block back to its place. From here, you take the left leg to the back. Lift the left leg up and lift the left arm up. Try to keep the weight on your right hand and the right knee. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring the arm down. Bring the knee down. And come onto your elbow. Come onto both your elbows, lifting the left leg behind. Gently, you will move the body to the front and exhaling, you will take the body behind. When you move to the front, you will feel the weight coming onto your shoulders and arms. Okay? You can keep the foot down if it is too much to lift it up. And let's begin. Inhale to the front, exhale to the back. 1. Front, back. 2. Front, back. 3. Front, back. 4. Front and back. 5. Bring the knee down and come into a child's pose. Stay here for a couple of breaths. Let the arms relax. Now we are going to transit from a child's pose to a Bhujangasana, cobra pose. So lift the body up. Bring the body flat onto the mat. Lift and go back. 1. Inhale to the front. Flat on the mat. Lift and go back. 2. Come to the front. Lift and back. 3. Come to the front. Lift and back. 4. Last one. Come to the front. Lift and go back. 5. Relax the body. Breathe nice, long and deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come on now, let's repeat the whole flow on the other side. So we will start with the push-ups. We did the knee push-ups. So let's begin with that. Take your hands under your shoulders and then pull them a little closer to each other. Exhaling, you'll bring the body to the front. Bend down. Inhale, you'll push and lift up. 1. Exhale down. Inhale, lift. 2. Down. Lift. 3. Down. Lift. 4. Down. And lift. 5. You go and sit back. From here, extend your arms straight in front, hold the right wrist and bend your body towards the left side. Breathe nice, long and deep here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lift yourself up. Now bring the right hand on the left leg. Take the left hand behind. Give a twist. Stay here. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lock your hands. Now pull your body to the front. Give a good stretch to the back. Pull the shoulders away from each other. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back onto your mat, into the tabletop position, make a fist, and let's make circles out of the left arm. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's move it in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring the. Now from here we shall tuck your toes and lift the hips up. Come into a downward facing dog. Bend the right knee and bring the right knee towards the left knee. Give a good stretch. You'll feel it on the right side. Your right hand will start to become heavy. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now you pull the right leg in between both your hands. Bring the left knee on the floor. Grab your block and we'll make circles out of the right arm. Start. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. 1, lift, down. 2, lift, down. 3, lift, down. 4, lift, and down. 5. Opposite direction. Come back to front. Inhale, you lift. Exhale, down. 1, lift, down. 2, lift, down. 3, lift, down. 4, lift, and down. 5. Keep the block back and send the right leg to the back, giving a good stretch to the whole body. Modification of Ardha Chandrasana. Breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring the right hand back, bring the right knee back, and come onto your elbows again. Extending your right leg to the back. Inhale, you move the body to the front. Exhale, you take the body behind. 1, inhale, exhale. 2, inhale, exhale. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, inhale, exhale. 5. Bring the right leg down and get into the child's pose. Relax the elbows, relax the shoulders, and now we are going to get into the Balasana Bhujangasana series. Okay, so from here, inhaling, you lift your body up, come flat onto the mat, lift into a Bhujangasana and go back into Balasana. 1, lift, flat, lift, and back. 2, lift, and back. 3, come front, lift, and go back. 4, come to the front, lift, go back. 5. Now you can relax here. You can stay here for as long as you like. Balasana is very good in releasing stress and anxiety. It will help you relax the whole mind. So stay here for as long as you wish. That's all from me today. So we'll meet again tomorrow. Bye bye.